If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. Right now we're diving into the monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame has made a bullish engulfing candlestick right now, which is a reversal candlestick to the upside. Now, given that you still have all the way, some people are saying that this is the seal of the downtrend, considering if you make this bear flag and consider that that bear flag had this technical target from the top to the bottom right there, and it pretty much came to the target. But I still have doubts because that bear flag still points 2,171. And that's why my claim has always remained that, you know, breaking 11,000 and 12,000 is really important for us to continue higher. But that doesn't matter, you know. If you're trading a swing trade or a long-term positional trader, that actually does matter. But if you're someone who likes the daily time frame and the smaller time frame, that doesn't make any difference, because this looks as beautiful as it gets, because we are on a technical journey officially to actually move up to 7,830. That's why the reason why we're moving up there is because you have this whole pattern right here that you broke out of, and one can even say it's some sort of a cup and handle. It's only that I don't like how this cup and handle looks like, because the handle is just a little bit below and you have the neckline below, so it doesn't make sense. The handle should be somewhere here and not somewhere here. Actually, my point is it should be below the neckline instead of being above the neckline. So I don't think that's really a very clear cup and handle. But anyways, who cares? A technical target is actually up there to 7,830. That's what actually matters. Now, that's the daily. The 4-hour time frame actually says the following, and you have this pattern that you broke out of, and as far as I understand, this pattern is something like a left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. You do have a little bit of a inverse head and shoulder, and you take the top to the bottom right over there for this inverse head and shoulder, and you're breaking out the pattern, and you can see you have a technical journey to come up to 6,330 in the short term, and that's going to be a move up to nearly 16% to the upside. That's something that can be traded, but keep one thing in mind. I don't know if they have the intentions to drop it down here to 5,214 before actually moving higher. But nonetheless, let me just tell you one thing. We don't want to see JASMY coming below, let's say, nearly 5,000 here. If you do start to come and close below 5,000, and that can be momentarily a little bit of a problem, but not too much of a problem. Major problem is going to happen when you lose 4,448. This is the dead zone. That's what I would like to call that, the dead zone. And guys, if you want to actually continue and come to join my private channel, you can actually do that. There are 6 days. The link is in the description of the video to join your Discord, and for that one, yeah, do check it out. And by the way, the best thing about the private channel is only that when I take trades, you take the trade. When I close the trade, you close the trade, and you get to know beforehand if something is about to dump or pump or any situation. You get a very quick message on that. That's the benefit, actually. It's a very simple but effective benefit that you can check it out. And that's pretty much it for this JASMY update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.